Hey y'all, I just got my pantry box and from Amazon, and I'm going to show y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got. That right there, that's a Walmart box. I got that today too, but there's only one slightly insignificant thing in it. This is my first time ordering Amazon Pantry. Like, I've gotten food off Amazon before, but it was never, like, I never got like a full pantry box. I had some good. They be really giving you the plastic. I paid $1.79 for this. So I got this Native Forest unsweetened organic coconut cream. There was $1.79. I guess I wasn't smart and I didn't like, I didn't pay attention to the size, but it's only 5.4 ounces. I got 4 of them. I thought I was getting big cans. I'm supremely pissed. I got some green tea. It's open. Oh, they ain't plastic. Oh, that's how y'all work? Oh, look at it. It's supposed to be 70 in here. Yeah, 70. I guess I could cut that in half. Oh, you can tear it. I see no perforations. Alright, so I got that. That was $3.99. This is organic green tea. There's 70 in it. I got this organic rice drink. I never had rice milk before. So I've never had it, but this is a 64 ounce, and I can't remember how much that one was. I got these garbanzo beans. I got 3 of these. I don't know how much that was either. I got this Mega Omega trail mix. It is vegan. It has walnuts, dry mango, almond, cranberry, and pumpkin seeds in it. And I got this because it was vegan. This is just like the protein one. The protein one that I showed on the unboxing, other unboxing, and it was $4.98. Yeah, or something like $4.99. And I already ate the protein one. It's gone. I ate it, and I got it Monday, and I didn't eat it. I got this curry powder because I like to make coconut curry vegetables and rice, and I was gonna make that today, but I mean I still can. I already got my black beans on. I was gonna do black beans and mac and cheese. So I don't know. This was $3.99 for this McCormick. It's 1.75 ounces. McCormick curry powder. That's $3.99. And then I got these Seeds of Change organic quinoa brown and red rice with flaxseed, and I got 4 of these. These were like $2 and something. It's microwavable, but I'm not gonna microwave it because 1, I don't have a microwave, and 2, because I don't. If there was a microwave in here, I still wouldn't be using it. So this is everything I got, and all this stuff is $35. Like this is like $35 at the grocery store. But I think this milk was $3. I just wish it was bigger. It's probably gonna be real good. I'm gonna have to order some more coconut milk. I'm gonna make sure that I did order 5.4 ounce cans though. I mean, it has to be, but I'm disappointed because I thought it was gonna be bigger. So anyway, I'm glad I got my green tea. I'm glad I got everything, but it's just not. Well, this isn't what I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like I thought it was gonna be this size. So anyway, that's it. I just wanted to show y'all. Y'all know I love to unbox and show and tell. So there you go. What? Oh, so yeah, so that's it. That's everything. And yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching. Do good and be good.